Welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Jewellery Muse, your ultimate destination for everything about silver jewelry. From the art of jewelry making to the latest trends, we are here to bring you a one-stop solution for all your jewelry needs. Whether you are looking for inspiration, knowledge, or a deeper connection to the world of silver jewelry, this channel is crafted just for you. Here's what you can expect on this journey with us. Exclusive behind the scenes of how our beautiful jewelry is made, educational content on modern trends, designs, and how customization works. Podcast featuring experts, designers, and global jewelry trendsetters, and much more designed to inspire and inform you. This channel is not just about jewelry, it's about building a connection between craftsmanship, creativity, and the global community that loves silver jewelry. Thank you for visiting the Jewellery Muse. We are here to bring you closer to the world of luxury, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. Subscribe now to stay updated with our latest creations, expert insights, and behind the scenes exclusives. Thank you.